Welcome back to the channel. Or should I say both channels? Because this video is going to be on both channels, peeps. I haven't done that much content, that much videos on the van, and I've had a disaster, should I say, on the log burner. I was just burning paper and all the fumes were coming into the van. All the smoke from the actual paper burning, so I'm going to put that little clip inside this little video so you understand what I'm talking about. Obviously now it's all burning, as you can see down there. Lovely. Never had that experience before, that's why I want to put that in the video, because carbon monoxide will kill you, right? So, let's tell you what I've been up to today. So obviously I've been building a bed. Let me just show you that. Let me put some lights on first, because it's quite dark in here. Let's put some lights on. Lights, yeah, there you go. Yeah, lovely painted cabinets now. To be honest, I wasn't going to use these boards. They bowed, but I bought some wonderful clips here. I don't know if you can see them in the video. Let's go this side. This side here. Let's go this side. There you go, look at that. I think they're about £1.50 a clip, or something like that. You can get them cheap from China. They can do up to 100 kilos. And they bowed back my wood, as you can see there. And when I'm driving, nothing comes out. Very easy to flick off, as you can see there. Look at that, lovely clip. One of the best, well, I'm not going to say one of the best investments in my van, but one of the best safety clips. Check the bed out, peeps. And it's not fully completed. It's not fully completed. To be honest, I was going to do a step by step, but I couldn't do a step by step because I was building this in my imagination, you know what I mean? I was just like doing bits and bobs, and if it didn't work, I took it apart and then rebuilt it. So let me just show you what I've done so you understand. I need to stop the video now and then flip you over. Okay, so we're back. Don't worry about the mess down there. Look how much wood I'm burning though. Okay, so let's get back to the bed. Look at that, still a bit wet, still drying out. And I will tell you the reason why I've got the log burner on later on. So stay tuned, because very important. So, as you can see, I've drilled loads of holes. Everything's grey. My partner painted it all grey at the moment. We've got to give it another coat. As you can see, we've got a few bits what we missed and stuff. But yeah, it's had about 4 coats, the main base. So what I've done, these parts here, 1 and 2, were offcuts from B&Q. It's a donation. I put in £3, got 2 boards. So technically, this whole bed has cost me less than £30 to build. Yes, £30 to build, and it's looking awesome already. So I overlapped both boards when I was drilling the holes, so I get the same pattern. As you can see here, I've got a small hole, and up here I've got a small hole. So obviously I flipped the boards over to give it that little nice pattern, if you know what I mean. So I didn't just, made holes on each board. I actually clamped both boards together, drilled the holes, and yes, don't use an 18-volt drill for this, because it will put a lot of strain on your drills and you will just kill it. So yeah, use an SDS drill or something with a lot of power, what's in the mains, and you'll be good to go. To be honest, peeps, I wasn't going to make this video today because it's not fully done. I've got, the sides to do, still got this side to do, but because I didn't do a step-by-step video, I wanted to show you the way I've done it. So let me just put this up here, because it might confuse you if I've done a full video, if that makes sense. Hold on. There you go. Right. So, I've just ordered some piano hinges to go up on here and up on here. So this will be on a hinge, obviously, like so. And this one will be on a hinge. It won't open that far because of the TV, but that's far enough because obviously my diesel heater is in there. So yeah, right, let's get to this one. So let me open this one up. Pretend this one's on a hinge. It's going to be up like so, and I've got so much room. As you can see, everything is floating in there, so I haven't used that much wood. So the main beam, I've done a 45 cut, or was it 90s? I can't remember. Yeah, 45 cut, and I've supported it from there to there, going into a square. As you can see, that's the main support on this side. I've got one leg dropping straight to the floor, not fully painted yet, but it will be straight down. It's so simple, peeps. So let me lift this one up here, and what I've done, because I've got bunk bed area here for the kids, I supported this whole frame on this bunk bed area. The reason is for weight. I don't want to keep adding wood if I don't need to. This wall is solid, really solid, 4x2, and as you can see, it's screwed straight into that. I will put one more support going down, as you can see here and there, and that's my floating £30 so far bed. But let me show you what else this bed can do, because obviously at the moment it's a single, right? It's not fully completed. Check this out. So all I need to do now is pull this bad boy out like so. Oh yes, this will be blocked off obviously with a sheet like that, but underneath I've got some table clips, or whatever you want to call them, table brackets. Let me show you them. There you go, check them out. You can get you can get 4 of them for £8 on eBay. Now that is solid. The only thing is, let me just show you something, because it's got a little lever under here. I just click that lever, push that back, that will go back up like so. Same as with this one. Some of the brackets are better than others, as you can see. That one just hold it up, but it's cool because obviously when I pull it up like so, I just can do that, and you can see it goes back leveled, right? As I said, the only thing is, now if I'm driving, this is going to be moving a bit like so. So my plan is get some of those bad boys, and all I need is one from here to here to hold that back like so, and it's leveled, because these, I don't know what they're called, they're clamps, but they wind out, so you can wind them in and wind them out, you know, the strength or whatever, and they hold my cabinets in beautiful. I've painted these, as you can see. I need to fill most of them and sand them down and paint them again, but I thought to myself, I'm going to just put loads of magnets over the whole board anyway, so it's not need, you know, there's no need to, right? Yeah, so yeah, I don't think I'll be filling them no more. But as you can see, that is a cheap £30 bed, and I will be painting everything in there. Everything will be painted the same colour grey. You won't see none of this. This will be all boxed off. That will be boxed off, and so far so good. And you can see, a lot of people don't show this on YouTube, right? You can see the gap there. I don't know, I would say 20 mil, 25 mil gap, and then it goes smaller. The reason that is, my board, my caravan board, I pushed it straight to the main frame. There's no beams in there, you know, I've got no slats in there. The reason is I'm trying to keep this fan as light as possible. I don't care about that, because obviously when I've got my foam on there, you're not going to see that. You know what I mean? A lot of people don't show you that. A van that's not levelled, or should I say straight, yeah, not levelled. So, yeah. That is my £30 DIY bed. I've got some piano hinges going up there and up there, and this will be another coat of paint on this. Still a bit wet. And yeah, tell me what you think in the comments below. Right, that is, I don't know, 80% of my DIY bed, as you can see right there. But before we leave, let me just tell you something about my log burner, because it's kicking off some heat here. The first thing I've done, I've raised this because obviously when I'm driving it falls down. Put it on some rhino clips. The only thing is with these bends, they don't fit properly, as you can see there. I don't know if you can see that in the video. So when the rains, sorry, when it rains, it comes down this pipe and it drips out here and it comes onto my log burner. I haven't got a rain cap at the moment, but if you watch my videos, my DIY flush kit, it doesn't let rain come around the sides, and you know, I'm not getting the rain around the wood, or my insulation's not getting wet or anything like that. So that rain cover with the magnets is working. The only thing is, I've noticed, I've lost 2 magnets around the actual flush kit. I found one the other day and I've connected it to the log burner. But the thing is, I tried to glue it back, but before I glued it back, I tried to connect it to my door, and it was so weak, and I was thinking, what's going on here? And I realised, I've had my log burner on, I'm not no professor or scientist. It's lost its magnetic field, it's really weak, it's like, not worth putting on basically. It's just struggling to hang on there. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do now with that, but yeah, it's weak. It's lost its, its strong magnetic field. So yeah, I'll leave that where it is at the moment, see if it falls off. But yeah, as I said, I'm not no scientist. So that's about it from Hobbies and Gadgets. Any comments below? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll get back to you. Peace out.